Okay, so we're moving on to 5.2 exponential functions and graphs. Before we do that, we need to talk about the definition or how exponential functions are denoted. Essentially, it's going to be with a base a. This a is a number that is greater than 0, so it's a positive, and it's not a 1. Okay? And then this x up here, that letter is actually an exponent. I know we've been talking about different types of things. Like in the previous section we did inverses, and that wasn't considered an exponent, okay? So for the first one, we're asked to graph y is equal to 2 raised to the x. Again, if you don't know what a graph looks like, the best thing to do would be to make a t-chart. So that's what I'm going to do. And we can pick some numbers or whatever. We could do, I think 0 will be a pretty solid one to do, right? So let's do 0, 1, 2. Usually it's good to stick in some negative numbers, right? So let's do -1 and -2. I don't know why I wrote it like this. You could have done -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, I don't know. Okay, but anyway, so essentially we're looking for y, and we know that y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 2 to the x. And in this case, our x is equal to these numbers right here. Okay, so this one's 2 to the 0, which is anything raised to 0 is 1. This one's 2 to the 1. This gives us 2. This one's 2 to the 2, which is 4. This one's 2 to the -1. Okay, the cool thing about these exponents, if you have a negative, it's going to be the same thing as the positive, but the reciprocal. So, since +1 is 2, that means -1's reciprocal is going to be 1 over that number, okay? And then 2 to the -2, we go to the +2, which is 4. So that's going to be equal to 1 over 4, okay? And then we graph these. I really wish I would have put those up at the front now, so I'm going to do this one first, okay? So -2 to the 1/4 would be like here. -1 to the half would be like here. Then 0 to the 1 would be here. And then 1, 2 would be here. And then 2, 4 would be here. So this is what the graph